भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पक्षमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्ताक्षो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ। Majority of the people have wrong notion about spirituality. They think that they will have to leave their family and friends, home and work, and everything that they own, and then only they will be able to walk on the spiritual path. Now, if you are one of those, then you don't at all know what spirituality is all about. Spirituality is not about changing your dress or your place. It's about transforming your whole being. True spirituality gives you the tools to transform yourself. It gives you the tools to transform your whole being, no matter who or where you are. Right now, your idea about yourself is limited to this psychosomatic self, to this self which consists of body and mind, right? For you, this body and mind is who you are. If you don't agree with me, then close your eyes right now and ask yourself, who am I? And see what answers do you receive from your mind. If you are honest with yourself, you would know what idea you have about yourself, whether you consider yourself to be this body-mind complex or something else. And don't at all give attention to what you have heard from others or what you have read in the books, because that is not your experience. So leave them aside. You got to see what you take yourself to be. Do you consider yourself as the body or as the mind, or the combination of these two? What do you really take yourself to be? Or is there anything else apart from this body-mind complex that you take yourself to be? Now, if you really take yourself to be nothing but this body and mind, then it's perfectly fine, nothing wrong with it. That's what majority consider themselves to be, right? And spirituality comes, I would say, to your rescue. It's because you have lived your whole life as the body and as the mind, and you yourself have seen how very unpleasant and frustrating your life has been. So spirituality asks you to inquire within yourself. It asks you to see that there is a dimension within you which transcends this body-mind complex. There is a dimension within you which gives existence to this body-mind complex. This body of yours can't exist on its own. It's an insentient lump of matter. It has got no life of its own. Similar is the case with the mind. The mind, consisting of thoughts and emotions, also come under the realm of matter. They can't exist on their own. They exist because of this dimension within you, the dimension of consciousness, the dimension of awareness. True spirituality brings to your attention this long forgotten dimension within you. Once you recognize that you are really not this body-mind complex, but the consciousness that sees this body-mind complex, then half the battle is won. You then have to carry on with your spiritual practices like meditation and yoga to make it your experience. If you keep on practicing meditation and yoga on a daily basis and try to do everything consciously, try to do everything with awareness, then that day is not far off when you will experience this ever-present truth, when you will experience your divine infinite nature which transcends this body-mind complex. Perseverance and patience are a must in a spiritual life. Without them, you cannot hope to attain much. If you really want to experience who you really are beyond this body-mind complex, then you would have to be regular in your meditation and yogic practices.